What is up, guys? It's your boy, the DaGMLowLife, and I want to send a big shout out to Oxido LED lights. They send these out to us so we could try them out on this 2013 Ram. So we're going to be showing you how to install your LED bulbs on your 2013 Ram. Let's get it. We're going to start off with what comes in the Oxido LED light kit. So let's check it out. Right here we have some white gloves. We have some zip ties. And right here we have an instructor's manual so y'all can check it out. These are our light bulbs, the LED bulbs. Remember, if you have a 2013 Ram, your light bulb number would be the H11. So if you're going to purchase these from Oxido, make sure to get the H11 for your Dodge Ram. First step into getting into the LED bulb, you need to remove this plastic cover to get your pry and remove all your plastic clips. So now we're going to remove the grill. You got 4 10mm bolts. So you're going to pull it off. Remember, there's 2 clips in the corners. Just pull from the bottom, pull towards you, and it comes right off. We're going to remove the headlight. We're going to get these 2 10mm bolts. Once you remove your 10mm bolts, you just have to tug on the light towards you. And we're wearing these gloves to throw on the LED bulbs. Twist this to the side, and now it gives us access to our LED bulbs. We're going to disconnect it and connect our new bulbs. Now you're going to insert your bulb and twist it till it no longer is able to come out. Now plug them in, and before putting your light back, make sure that they are working. Alright guys, big shout out to DaGMLowLife for sending us their products. I'm 100% satisfied. Thank you guys. Y'all make sure to follow them on Instagram and check them out on oxidolights.com. Order your next LED lights with Oxido.